Hey everyone! In this video, we'll walk through how to create a SaaS metric dashboard. For this, we'll be using the Web App UI Kit, which includes all the essential components needed to build a dashboard for a SaaS applications. Start by adding the browser frame from the UI Kit. This will act as the base layout for our dashboard. Next, drag in the sidebar with profile from the pack and customize it as needed. Now, add a divider line to separate sections and begin creating the bottom sidebar options. Next, drag and drop the top bar from the UI Kit. It includes a search bar, notification icons, and a profile avatar. Add a title and a short welcome message to greet the user after login. Now we'll create metric cards using the Overview Chart component. Customize them with icons from the library and adjust styling to fit your dashboard design. Reuse the created card component for displaying different metrics. This helps create a consistent and realistic analytics dashboard. Below the metrics section, add an overview area. Drag and drop the line chart with data component from the UI Kit and customize it to fit the dashboard style. Use the tab menu to add filter options like weekly, monthly, and yearly views. Customize the look and labels. Now, create a recent campaign section. Reuse the overview campaign and table component from the content section. Customize them to display your campaign details. Use badge elements to indicate the status of each campaign in the table. Also, add a filter icon from the Mockflow icon library to indicate filter functionality. To show gender-based data, use the pie chart component from the UI Kit. Customize it according to the percentage values. Next, add a card for top traffic sources. Use the progress bar component and customize it. Reuse it to show multiple traffic sources in a clear, visual format. Once the traffic source section is done, tweak each section and component to give your dashboard the final polish. And there you go, a complete SaaS metric dashboard designed using Mockflow Wireframe Pro. That's it. You now have a clear overview of how to create a SaaS metric dashboard using Mockflow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wireframing tutorials and updates.